This is an infographic on children associated with armed forces or armed groups by UNICEF. A child associated with an armed force or armed group is any person under 18 years of age who is part of any kind of regular or irregular armed force or armed group in any capacity. The term child soldier is discouraged as it does not accurately reflect the range of roles in which boys and girls are recruited and used for military purposes and for whose release UNICEF advocates. It is estimated today that tens of thousands of children, some as young as 8 years old, are involved in at least 15 armed conflicts around the world. Children are used as combatants, messengers, porters, cooks, and for sexual purposes, including being used as wives. Some are forcibly recruited or abducted. Others are driven to join by poverty, abuse, discrimination, and ideology, or to seek revenge for violence enacted against themselves and their families. Often girls and boys are abducted from their schools, homes, or villages and brought to camps. They may be used as combatants, porters, or for sexual purposes. UNICEF and partners negotiate with governments and armed groups for the release of children. Some of them escape by themselves. In some cases, the children are reunited immediately with their families. Others are cared for in transit centers or by foster families before returning to their families. In both cases, the children receive psychosocial assistance, medical care, and social and economic support. To ensure adequate reintegration of the children, it is important that they and the concerned community benefit from a range of support. The physical and psychological impact on children and their communities across generations cannot be underestimated. It deprives them of their rights and their childhood. Stopping this is complicated. The key is prevention, to address the social, security, political, and economic factors that lead to child recruitment. There are a number of international standards to protect these children. They're listed here. Since 1998, more than 100,000 children have been released and received support for their reintegration.